See right there? Daddy. And you hear the mama chirping. So why is she chirping under this bridge, the old bridge? The older bridge anyway. Where I was getting my stuff done. Look right there. Right there. Look at that nest. I'm trying my best not to get too close because I don't want to scare the mom and daddy off, but this is cool. I was wondering why she was trying to get my attention to get me away. That's cool. Let me see how many babies. Hi, mama. I know, mama. Hey, mama. Where'd she go? Right there, mama. Okay. Let's get closer, babies. Look, babies. I don't see their mouths, but they're right there. There's your babies. Yeah, right there. There's babies. Oh, babies. Maybe one or two, maybe. Yep, at least two. Right there, look, you see everyone right there. Yep. 1, 2, maybe 3 babies. Hello. Alright, say when I get close. That's cool. Said show you the adventure. Alright. Alright, mama, I'm leaving, mama.